Good morning, children. This is again a second video of chapter 1 revision stakeholders in commercial organization. Today, all the differences between stakeholders, customers, stakeholders and stakeholders, creditors, all the difference we are going to do one by one. Okay. Now, what is the difference between stakeholder and customer? Children, in the exam, you have to write this basic point of distinction. And if it's a 5 marks question, you have to write all the 5 points and give at least one brief introduction, one line, what is a stakeholder and who is a customer. Okay. Now, financial stakeholders have financial stake in the business, right? You know. And these customers, they don't have any financial stake in the business, because the stakeholders, they are either the shareholders or the employees or the employers. All this comes under the stakeholders, right? So they have financial hold in the business, but customers do not have. Supply capital, these stakeholders, they supply capital and even human capital is there. But customers, they do not do that. Okay. Buying goods and services, who does it? The stakeholder does not do it, but the customers, they do it, right? A risk taking, stakeholders take risk, customers do not take risk. Okay, because the customers only, what do they need? They need the goods and the services, right? Then sharing of profits, stakeholders share profit in the form of interest, dividend, wages, salaries. Customers do not share profit. Right. Let's do with next is stakeholders and shareholders. Definition: stakeholders are the individuals of the organization that have active interest in the functioning of a company, and shareholders are individuals or organizations who are the holder of one or more share of the company. Stakeholders are the interested parties and shareholders are the owners, because they get their share. The event in a company can directly or indirectly impact stakeholders. Shareholders are always directly impacted by the event in the company. Stakeholders cannot be shareholders in a company, but a shareholder are stakeholders because they have interest in the company, so they have bought the shares, right? Monetary benefit, not all stakeholders receive monetary benefit, okay? But the shareholders, they receive monetary benefit in the form of what? When the company earns profit, they get their share in the form of dividend, right? Now, what are the types of stakeholders? They are employees, creditors, government, suppliers, right? Customers. And who are the shareholders? There are many two types: equity shareholders and preference shareholders. This will be doing it in the next few chapter. What is preferential shares? What is equity shares? Okay. Focus area: the performance of the company, and they also return of investment. They will buy more and more share if they get more return. Okay. Next, shareholders and customers. Shareholders are the stakeholders as they have financial stake. Customers, they are not the stakeholders. Shareholders invest money in the company by buying its shares. Customers, they do not invest. They give money and they get the product. Isn't it? Then, shareholders receive dividend. Customers do not, because they have a share. So, if the company is running at a profit, they get their share of profit in the form of dividend. Now, risk. Shareholders undertake risk of losses. Customers, they don't. They are only concerned with the product and the service of the organization, right? Next, shareholders and creditors. Who are the shareholders? Those who buy the shares of the organization. And creditors, those who provide financial support to the organization. They are the creditors, isn't it? So they are internal stakeholders, they are external stakeholders. They invest in the capital. They only give loans, they give their money here so that when they earn the profit, they get a return. They assume greater risk. These people they take less risk, because the money has to be given back to them. They share in the profit of the company. The creditors, they do not. They only receive interest. They are members of the company, have voting right. They are not the members of the company, so they don't have voting